Hello everybody, today I'm gonna vlog my day, just show you what I've got going on, which isn't too much, but hopefully this vlog won't be too long. Anyways, I thought I would start by showing you my breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm having chocolate peanut butter Cheerios. They're pretty delicious, but I think I might go back and just get normal Cheerios at some point. And I've got milk. I'm gonna have a clementine, and then I'm probably gonna have one date, because I get hungry in the morning. I'm like really hungry in the morning. And then of course I've got a water over there. So I'm gonna do this, and then I need to go put some makeup on my face and do my hair a little bit. Guys, I have like 15 minutes to do my makeup and maybe 10 to try to do something with my hair. That's not a lot of time. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I gotta do this fast. My husband ran out this morning to go get his emissions done, and someone is oh so desperately waiting for him. She doesn't care about me. Nope, not me. So anyways, if you've heard her crying in the background, that's why. She misses him. You miss your daddy? You don't care about me. All right, pay no attention to the mess over there and the mess over there. I just got done my hair and makeup. Oh, that was like real dark now. My light's over here. Anyways, I just got done all of that. I kind of just like ran the hair straightener through my hair really quickly because I'm going to get my hair done. So, I mean, I don't know. I didn't want to look like I literally just rolled out of bed, but I kind of just did. And then I just got a t-shirt on because I'm going to change later, and jeans and my Vans. I know I'll end up having hair all over the shirt, so I didn't want to wear the shirt that I was going to wear like all day. And yeah, that's a thing. My t-shirt's a little tight, but oh well. I need new t-shirts. All right, I gotta go or else I'm gonna be late. All right, so I'm back from getting my hair cut, which I really just got like a trim, so there's not like a big change with that, but I wanted to show you my #1 problem with maternity clothes. All right, so this is a dress. This is not a hoodie, this is a dress. I feel like this looks so silly. Like it needs to be up higher. It's like almost down to my knees. I think if I had like a really big bump right now, it wouldn't be so bad, but it's obviously not that big just yet. And so I just think it looks kind of ridiculous. And I'd keep this, but it's not gonna be cold forever. Like, I'm already getting I can notice that I'm getting a little bit hotter, just like on the day-to-day. So I know this is not gonna work for very long. So I don't know why I have my hand there, that was kind of strange. This is gonna have to go back because I don't think I like this. It's comfortable, it's really soft. It's from Motherhood Maternity. It's really soft, like on the inside too, it's really fuzzy, but I'm not keeping this just to like lounge around the house in. That would be ridiculous. I don't like this. Ugh, look at my tiny little legs. I'm gonna go change. All right, I feel like that's way better. I actually wore this outfit not too long ago, but it was like right before I told you guys that I was pregnant, so I didn't want to post it. I'm obviously showing like a lot more now than I was at that point, but oh, you know what, I need to take a picture. I've been trying to take like weekly pictures of my belly, kind of just for myself, just to see that progression. I need to do that before I leave today. I can't forget. Don't let me forget. Anyways, I got my rain boots on because it's gonna rain a little bit later. I've got my socks, I forget what they're called, just my boot socks, that's what we're gonna call them. So stylish. Just kidding. Oh, that was a bad angle. That's, yeah. Could I hold the phone straight, maybe? So we are gonna head out in a little bit and go get some lunch at a local grill. I'm gonna show you guys what we get to eat because it should be really, really yummy. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna look into getting a bridesmaid's dress altered. Yeah, I need to find out if the lady that I scheduled an appointment with, I need to find out if she can do it or not. So that's what we're doing today. That's why we're going out to eat, because it just happens to be really close together. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you along with me on that. Ooh, I was gonna show you guys the nursery. Hold on a second. So this is the nursery. Ooh, it's like super blue in here. probably gonna paint the walls, but not really sure. It's pretty empty right now. I just have to get rid of like that. And I hope I didn't have my thumb over the thingy. And then of course need to get rid of that. The closet is over here. And this is like what I had just worked on not too long ago. I think I told you guys about it in my announcement video. We bought this little system like at IKEA. And you can of course still get it. And it just has like, you just install these 3 brackets. Well, we did 3. You can do as many as you want. And then did shelves at the top with the bars. And you can see I have some stuff hanging up. I think I was telling you guys about this stuff. How cute is that? And then those little pants to match. Oh, they're so cute. I know it's not super practical to be putting my kid in pants the moment they're born, but oh well. Then there's another set of shelves. I'm so out of breath. Like just walking around getting changed. And then there are some drawers right here. I've got like extra hangers because I just couldn't wait to buy hangers, so I bought them already. This came free from Motherhood Maternity, and then so did this. It's a little newborn. I think it was newborn. Yeah, newborn pacifier. I don't know like for sure that I'll use it, but probably. And then some water wipes. And then there's a bigger bin down here, which I didn't know that that would fit, but it does fit nicely. And then under this shelf is another hook. So you've got that hook and then those 2 up there, or hangers, whatever you want to call them. And then you can't really see it up there. I don't know if you can see like these little hooks. There's more down here. You can buy these. They go on the side of the arm, whatever you call this piece. So there's a lot of like wasted space over here. So I decided to get those. There's 2 here and then there's 2 up at the top so that we can just kind of hang whatever. If it's a girl, I don't know. I mean, she probably have plenty of stuff like scarves and accessories or belts. If it's a guy, a jacket, I don't know. I kind of decided to use them so that it wasn't wasted space. And then I also got this little bin basket. I don't know if it's going to work forever because like right now it'll work because the baby's clothes won't hang that low. But at some point that's not going to work because it's going to take up space from like hanging clothes. So right now I just have that with a bunch of coupons in it from like Motherhood Maternity and Carter's and just stuff I've gotten. So yeah, that's everything. Oh, and then I didn't point this out. These are swaddle blankets or muslins or flannels or whatever you want to call them from IKEA. I just like the stars, and then there's just like a white one underneath. I think it's just 2 in there, and they're like $5. They're nothing, and I've heard they're really good. And then of course the Saucony Jolie's, the Great Catnap book, because I bought that a while ago. I bought that before I was pregnant. Not necessarily for the baby, I just bought it in general. So yeah, there's the closet. And then there'll be space at the bottom for like shoes and stuff. But yeah, at some point I've got to get furniture for in here. And probably gonna paint. Wonder if I can show you guys this paint, how cool it is. Look how cool that is. I used the Valspar sparkles in the paint. That's actually coming off pretty good. How cool is that? I love it. It's so sparkly. But anyways, yeah, I don't know that this color is gonna be the best for like a boy's room. And what I'm deciding to do for a girl's room, this color just doesn't really work. So say goodbye to the blue. Probably gonna paint this room. Alright, so we just got back. I keep putting my thumb like I think where the mic is. Stop doing that. We just got back from lunch. That was delicious. My salad was so good. It had avocado and bacon and shrimp on it. It was supposed to come with chicken, but I asked for shrimp instead. And then I had an Old Bay ranch as my dressing. Had cheese on it. It was so good, and the bacon was crunchy. I know you saw it, but I just thought I'd tell you that it was delicious. Oh, and we had crab dip. And then I did go get my dress fitted. I went for my first fitting and it went well. Thank goodness. She said she can take care of me. So I was very happy. I stepped out of there and I was like, see what I mean? It's huge. It's like really big, like in this area. That's the only part that's like tight on me, but it's huge right there and it's super long. So I have to go get shoes before my next fitting, which is like in 6 weeks. And then my belly will be a lot bigger. So we'll do like, I think probably a couple more fittings, but that was good. That makes me feel a lot better. Okay, so I was gonna show you this dessert that I got. We stopped by a bakery. What is she barking at? She's barking at something. What are you barking at? What are you barking at, huh? Let's see, is there anything outside? Nothing. Actually, my neighbors might be outside right now. She's been sniffing me. I guess I'm smelly. Okay, I was gonna show you my dessert from this place we stopped at that was close to the restaurant. Because I wanted to go here, and the last time, sorry, that light is like really bright. The last time we went to this grill for lunch, we went on a Sunday and the bakery was closed. So it was open today. So we went in and I got a macaroon. I already ate that. That was yummy. I love some French macaroons. They're so expensive though. And then I think she said this is monkey bread, and I love monkey bread. So I want to show it to you guys. All right, so there it is. Doesn't that look good? It's like kind of thick. Maybe I could take it out. Doesn't that look good? I love monkey bread. I cannot tell you the last time I had it. I know this probably isn't going to be like the type of monkey bread I grew up eating, but it should be pretty good. Probably warm that up in the microwave for like a few seconds. It's going to be delicious. And yes, my life does basically revolve around good food because that is what I enjoy the most. Where are you? We see you. Hello. Hi, Daisy. What are you doing? Again, I might have had, oh my gosh, I cannot turn it enough to see. I think I keep putting my thumb, I think I don't, but I keep putting my thumb like where the mic might be. What are you doing now? You're being a cutie, wagging your tail. Why are you sitting like that? Like, look how strange she's sitting. You're so strange. You strange one. Oh, strange one. So yeah, I don't think we're really gonna do anything else today. He wants to clean. I kind of want to go to Motherhood Maternity tomorrow and return that stuff. So if we do that, we might go to one. That was really nice on my phone. It just cut off in the middle of me recording there. Anyways, I'm not sure what we're doing the rest of the day, but I'm probably just going to end the video here because I don't really think it's going to be anything worth showing you. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button. That means a lot to me. I was going to say I'd list everything down below, but there isn't really going to be a whole lot to list. So I'll see you guys next week. Hope you're having a good one. Bye.